Oh guys, I've had to show this. We actually set to this morning, right, to show you some of our products mixed up, but we got that into it that we've not done any filming, we've just been messing about.
And the mess is unreal.
I've been doing all, that's mine. Oh, and I've not done my top coat yet, listen to me. And there's Lolly, what are you doing?
That was mine, but I think I spoilt it at the last minute. It was quite...
the hair dryer was too...
yeah, we didn't have a torch, so we used a hairdryer. And then I put the hairdryer on, it blew it all together. Plus the coaster mould nearly shot off the table onto the floor.
Oh God. So which one do you prefer? That's Laura's.
Rubbish.
And that's mine. No, it's not, it's good. And that's mine.
Yours is very artistic.
Do you think so? Got me lines there, don't you think, guys? Oh, so just wanted to show you, not showing any of our products, but hey guys, thought I would tell you what was in my masterpiece. So I've just been doing this, you see, like I've put, basically that's ArtResin's silver metallic tint around the edge. Then I've got our little bit of rose gold mixed with the ArtResin. That's our white pigment in the middle, mixed with ArtResin. And then I've got the pearl blue ArtResin tint, which is gorgeous, by the way. It's beautiful. I've got cleaning gloves on. And that's the... Can you just show that? Mixing up.
That's the pearl blue.
Yeah,
the tint.
pearl blue. Yeah, that's in, yeah.
Gorgeous
that. So that and then that's been the main reason for my masterpiece, I would say.
Which one are you calling it?
Oh, it's Eye of the Storm. Eye of the Storm, I thought. And then in a bit, I'm going to do a top coat with the silver ignition dust. Silver ignition dust from the Rebel Glitter range. See what that looks like. Do you want to tell everybody what's in yours?
Oh, all sorts. You know what? There's that much in it, I can't remember. There is. I've used the silver pigment mixed with white ignition dust, which is there. Is that it?
Yeah.
Which is there. So I mixed in some white ignition dust into the silver pigment. It's got rose gold glitter. It's got the bronze ArtResin resin tint, and I was going to put another, like you've going to do, and put a top coat with white ignition dust, obviously mixed in with ArtResin, and I think that's it for now. But then it was looking okay before I put the thing on it, and it blew it everywhere, so...
It nearly went on the floor.
Work in progress.
Oh. I tell you what, we've been talking about this.
Don't know how you do it.
You make it look so easy. But I will say, I am impressed with my coaster, I will say. Should have done a rhombus one as well. Oh, and a gate. We should have tried the gate mould, shouldn't we? See, this is what I'm doing. I've heard a lot of you lot talking about that. You can't stop messing with it, and then you end up spoiling it, don't you?
I'm just going to add some of our white ignition dust to the ArtResin. Give that a mix. Can you see that? That's the reason we called it ignition dust, because it's just a way of just adding that little bit of sparkle if you where you want it. So it's a really, really fine. So it's just to add that bit of a glitter pop. But we shall see what happens now. Can you see that, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, I don't even know if this is what you're supposed to do. I've never even mixed enough. Well, that's the ArtResin mixed with ignition dust. And then I'm just supposed to go for it, yeah.
Oh my dear. Why has it covered it all up? I think you might have put too much in.
Do you think? Do you actually supposed to tip it?
That's nothing like you started it out. Oh my God.
It's not a clear top.
Hey, tell you what though, we'll say it's very sparkly. You know what it just shows though? You don't need a lot of that blushing dust of ours. That's way too much. It's literally a little pinch. So that pot is going to go a long way.
Yeah, as you can see there. Yeah, so I chose to spoil mine, yeah. But
give it more. She'll like that.
See this. Mum has to like
She's your biggest fan.
Yeah.
So give it more.
You can see the spark in there, but
I've
added way too much, haven't I? Way too much.
Right.
Failure.
I'm going to have a go at mine now. So I'm using the silver ignition dust. Why we call it ignition dust is it's that like final bit of panache. So I'm going to use, after watching Laura
Fail.
Fail. Big style. I'm just going to use the smallest little pinch. That's all I've put in. So if this works, that pot will last you 5 years. Have a look. See, just the absolute minimal bit of added sparkle. Is that sparkling?
Yeah, I can see that.
Gorgeous. That's all you need, I think. That's all this is for. It's not to colour it. It's just that top coat. Right, you ready? Just gonna go. We've gone very quiet because I'm thinking.
I think
wait a minute now.
We've done wrong.
Oh, go on. Wait a minute. So I've done my top coat now.
No, we went to let that other coat dry fully before we put the top one on.
Oh,
because then it sits on top of it, doesn't it?
Oh. Oh, spoiled mine as well. Oh, well.
There you go.
Right, so what we've done is...
we should have let that layer cure, so it was hard, and then the top coat sits on top of it. That's why they've just all mixed together, haven't they?
But at least you got to see how our ignition dust. I mean, can you see it sparkling on the top coat there?
Yeah, that's lovely.
Ooh. Oh, I enjoyed that, even though it was a complete fail.
It was very fun.
Yeah.